try to be differently able. I always try to do things differently. I don't want to be a disabled. Mostly when I do workout or yoga, I do with artificial limb. But when I started posting on social media, I got messages and comment that I'm ashamed with to post picture without artificial limb. So that's the reason, and I keep on getting those messages. First I ignored, then I thought they are putting it like amputees, like whoever met with accident and lost their legs or any limbs, they are ashamed to show their stump and limb. Then I thought, okay, one asana like 6 asana headstand I do without limb since I am practicing it. So that I can post on social media. That is the reason I posted it on social media. My accident happened on 22nd of 22nd of April, and amputation like both legs got amputated on 2nd of May. So it took time because my 80% of my body was affected with gangrene, and there was no chance that I will live again. Where some people said that maybe you cannot walk. That day was a bit tough for me, and if you sit like this for a long, then you cannot walk. The month of November, I went to Artificial Limb Center. There I took my artificial limb and started practicing. And I tried to adapt with different situation. It's a new life. I need to learn walk again since I lost both of my legs. So that is the reason I try to adapt all those situations and try to learn new things and try to make it I always try to be differently able. I always try to do things differently. I don't want to be a disabled. After I got my artificial limb, two things. I understood that I need to be fit, and another thing, I need to be healthy. Since I'm a bilateral amputee and these limbs are a bit heavy, and I need lot of energy to work. These are limbs are mostly very expensive. We cannot change it frequently. So I need to be in a certain way to fit in that limb. That's how my fitness journey started. I started my journey with bodyweight training. What I did that time, on Facebook there are some Facebook group for bodyweight training, that is for calisthenics, and those are not from India, those are from outside. So what I did, I just made few clips of my workout. Like since it's the initial phase, I don't know whether I'm doing it properly or I don't have a trainer. So I just made all those clips and posted on that group, asking that whether this form is correct and how to do it correctly. And also there is a yoga teacher in Bangalore. She really helped me. First time when I posted on Instagram, I was not sure that how people will take me. So what I did, I posted, and then I just logged out from Instagram, and then after a day I checked. Yeah, they took it very very positively, and so many positive messages and like motivation. They really motivate me. I got a very good response from other athlete, other fitness yoga trainer, from everyone. I got a very good response. Like to be collaborate with any artificial limb center if possible, because that will help me to reach out other new amputee, because I know that after an accident accepting a new life, it's a bit challenging, and hope I can help them.